Pwede tayong magsuot nito kasi di naman tayo kurap eh. Yan, meron na naman tayong nabiling buhaya. Dito yan sa store ng Palma de Mallorca. Daming mga bagong ano nila. Sarap bumili. Pira lang ang wala. Kaya lang, to, may na-purchase tayong isa. Brother, say hi, brother. That's my friend here. From Spain. Because how many times I buy here?
Oof, a lot. Maybe 4.
How many?
5.
5 times?
Yes.
Oh yeah, but one at a time, no?
Yeah.
Every purchase, one item only. Okay. So wanna say bye-bye to you, brother?
Bye. Nice to meet you.
Oh, bye-bye. See you next time.
See you. Bye.
Ciao.
Bye. Ciao.
Yun.